excited about you guys kind of like trying it because I think you're gonna love it. It is literally the perfect holiday or travel makeup essential. It is really, really good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is all about educational beauty. Today's video is all about must-have makeup travel essentials. So these are all the products that I personally take with me whenever I'm on a staycay or on a trip abroad, and I feel like they are essential. Like, honestly, these products are amazing, and I'm going to explain one by one exactly why I love them and why it's going to make your travel life so much easier. Now, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. And I'm over on Instagram, so come say hi, because I do some reels, some unboxing and all sorts when I'm not filming for YouTube. Now let's head straight into the video. Okay, so we're going to go through travel essentials today. You'll have to excuse my eyes, I've got like allergies, I don't know why. We're going to be going through travel essentials. I have been going on quite a few kind of staycations recently, and just to kind of like take a break from work in general and just kind of like recharge, you know. While I was kind of like going every other staycation, I felt like, you know, there's certain things that I kept taking with me because they just made my life so much easier in terms of like getting ready and everything. And I really wanted to like share that with you because ultimately, even if you are going on a staycay or going on a holiday or just generally maybe a work trip or something like that, you want things which are kind of easy to pack, that are travel friendly, they're not going to break in your luggage, and that you can kind of do as much as you can with that one product, if you see what I mean. So I really wanted to kind of like share that with you. So first off, we're going to start with the first product, which is my IT Cosmetics CC Oil Free Matte Poreless Coverage Full Coverage Cream. It was actually poreless finish, but anyway, it is something that I have started recently using, and I've taken it to a couple of kind of like staycays with me, and it is amazing. Like, I absolutely love this product. I do really love the fact that it is kind of like also, I think IT Cosmetics partnered with dermatologists to create it, so it is actually good for your skin. What I do love about it is that it is SPF 40 for a start, so that's great. So I know I'm getting full coverage, and I've also got SPF, I've got that protection there as well. My shade is tan. It is perfect for my skin. I can't remember if I've already got a video out or it's coming out soon, but you know, where I use this and you can really see what it looks like. Now, they do have quite a few shades. Now, what I really want to share about this is that I love the fact that it is oil free, as well as obviously the SPF 40, but also the fact that it does give you that kind of matte-ish kind of like finish. So when you are, like, when I'm on a staycay, I don't really want to look super glowy, and I know that most people probably would, but I don't want to look really, really glowy because I know that wherever I'm going, it's going to be hot. I'm probably going to be sweating a bit, and I don't really want to go for a really glowy look and then I just look like I'm dripping later. So I always try and keep it kind of like, if I use something which is matte, I feel like matte foundation, some matte foundations do, but like matte foundations or CC creams, like, or BB creams, most of them, I would say 80% of them, don't actually stay super matte, like as matte as they are when you first put it on. So I feel like later on in the day, you do get that kind of just the perfect amount of kind of like glow coming through. And this is one of those. I feel like it keeps my face matte, so it's not, but it's not like dry matte. It's a really nice matte, and that's what I really like about it, because that's the kind of finish I would want on a staycay or when I'm out in the sun a lot. Yeah, it's hydrating, it's anti-aging concealer in there. So this is a product which I would highly recommend. Sorry, I'm like really itching from allergies. So that's that first product done. Now, the other one that I want to talk about is the Charlotte Tilbury Quick and Easy Compact. This is something I absolutely love, and I know that you guys are going to love it too. I think I've spoken about it before already, but it's like the perfect compact. Honestly, when it first came out, I was thinking, okay, what is this, another compact? But I generally like Charlotte Tilbury and I like her products, and I was thinking, okay, how are they, you know, when you have compacts, when they've got like 3 or 4 different things in there, they complement each other, but do they all collectively complement my skin? And that's the problem that I have when I come across like compacts that have got kind of like a few things in there which go well together, but they may not all go well together on my skin. So basically, I wasn't really sure about it to begin with, and I actually really love it. This particular one is my favorite one, which is called Golden Glow, and it has, so basically it has an easy eye wand, an easy lip and cheek wand, and an easy highlighter wand. So they all kind of like slot in. It's almost like a cigarette pack. So it basically, you have the eye pencil, which is here, and the eye pencil in here is basically the same as the Charlotte Tilbury chunky eye pencils. You know, the ones that you can really easily blend and they smudge with your finger really easily in a good way. But then when they dry, they kind of like stay put. So this is a really nice bronze shade. It's one of my favorites. There's quite a few different shades that she has within the compacts. I absolutely love this lip and cheek wand because I'm not going to put it on my cheeks because I've got quite a matte finish, but I can put a little bit on my lips. And it's just like a really nice peachy colour, but isn't like overly bright, but it blends so easily into the skin, like literally just with your finger. And you can use that on the cheeks as well. Like, you do not need a brush with this at all. And then you've got like a highlight stick. Now, I didn't think this was going to go with my skin because I looked at all of them. I was like, great, golden glow, like this bronzy color. The peach goes perfect with bronze. And then there was this, and it was like very white, and I was like, not sure, but it goes really, really well. This is actually what I've already got on here, but just add some more. It goes really, really well. So considering that, you know, makeup brands, I think in general, are great at putting together collections because the collection goes so well together, but it doesn't necessarily go so well together on every single person's face. You know, there's always one product which isn't that great. So I'm actually really excited about this and excited about you guys kind of like trying it because I think you're going to love it. It is literally the perfect holiday or travel makeup essential. Is really, really good. Next up is my Summer Fridays lip balm. I absolutely love this. I do wish it was SPF because that would just make it so much better, but I love the fact that it's really travel friendly. It's plastic and it lasts for quite a while, and it's just a really good lip balm. Like, this is my second tube, so I absolutely love that. It's perfect for on the go, and I kind of keep these things in my little, you know, when you go to the beach or the pool, you have like a bag and you keep just those essentials in there. This is kind of like all the stuff that I have in there. Then I have got my mascara. My mascara is probably not something I have in that bag, but it is definitely something I take with me. So it is a travel essential for me. And this is the Makeup Forever, the Professional mascara. And what I love about this is it doesn't flake. And I've been using this for a little while and it doesn't flake at all. So you've got step 1, which is a thin brush. And then you've got step 2, which is a much thicker brush, which is like that, right? What they say, basically what they want you to do is you can use them separately, but you can also use them together. So step 1 is the thin brush. I like using that because I want on a staycay or something, I want that really nice kind of thin, kind of like just natural look, which lengthens my lashes but doesn't look clumpy. That is great for it. Now, what I like about this is then in the evening, you can just like coat it up, like literally layer it up with the step 2, which gives you that really ultra volume and it doesn't look cakey, clumpy, sorry. But the great thing is it doesn't flake, because I know this is an issue for a lot of people. This mascara is amazing and it is definitely travel friendly. It's perfect. You've got 2 mascaras in one, a daytime and an evening, or both together as like the ultimate glam evening look. It's really sturdy, you know, so it's a really, really good travel essential. Now, next up is something that I take with me without fail. These are all products that I take with me everywhere whenever I'm going on staycays. This is the Summer Fridays Glow Pool Time. Well, it's Pool Time Glowing Body Oil. It's so good. It like literally, it smells of like coconut, I think, and oh, it smells so good. And you know what I love about this? I know you're probably thinking, yeah, but that's a glass bottle. How is it travel friendly? It actually is, even though it is, I think it is glass. It has this little plastic little stopper, so it sits in the hole. It doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't go anywhere. Like, it's great. So when you're at the pool, just don't lose that plastic stopper, but it goes in there and then you put the lid on and you don't have to worry about it leaking anywhere. But this particular body oil, the reason I love it is because it's for any skin color, and that's what I love about it, because it's super ultra hydrating. So I always keep this at the pool with me. Obviously I have my body SPF as well, but this I'm like constantly like morning and night putting into my skin, not even just by the pool, so that it gives me that all over hydration after I've been like my skin has been sun exposed. What I like is that, you know, sometimes you see these body oils and you have different kind of shades, like medium, dark, and it's like, which one do I go for? And then when you put it on, it looks like you've put a pair of really thick tights on. It just looks really, it's just not nice, you know, it's just a bit OTT. This, on the other hand, gives you the most like really natural sheen without it looking like you've put glitter all over yourself. So it's a really nice finish, and it doesn't matter what your skin color is, it's gonna look good. It's not gonna like be too whitish or too kind of dark on any skin colors. It literally is just gives you that really nice golden kind of like glow that you need. So that is my next product. Now, obviously, all of this together you can create a whole makeup look with. You may want to take a brow pencil. Recently, I've really been loving the Benefit Precision Brow Pencil because I feel like it's ultra thin, super sturdy, so it doesn't break easily, and it's actually thinner than the brow wiz. I love brow wiz, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love it, but this is kind of like slowly creeping its way up with it. But like, it's got everything you need, the same as most brow pencils, to be honest. It has the spoolie, and then you have the kind of like pencil side. It's something that I think, you know, is generally a travel essential if you do your brows. I would say those are my top 5 kind of travel makeup essentials. I know like these two are not actually makeup. It's like this I would still class as it because you can use this on your lips and, you know, it ends up, you know, it's like a gloss almost as well, but it's also like looking after your skin, like your lips. And then this, to be honest, as far as I'm concerned, it kind of does still come under makeup because it gives me that really nice kind of sheen. So like anywhere I put that on my body, it almost is like makeup without being makeup because it gives me that kind of really nice filtered finish to my skin, and everything just looks so sun-kissed and really nice. Now, just quickly going back to this product here, which I'm honestly loving, I just wanted to also let you know that you don't need a powder with this. I've put this on and you do not need to put powder on top of this, like at all. It kind of gives you that matte finish. If you put powder on top, it's probably going to get super like ultra matte, which if you want, great, but otherwise I don't think you're going to really want to put powder on top. But it's really hydrating, so your skin doesn't feel kind of like dry once you've put it on, and it blends so well into the skin with a brush, and it's basically full of goodness from what I can see. It's like serum, moisturizer, daily SPF, you know, you can keep building it up. It gives you a smooth finish, and like I said, I've used this a few times and I'm using it more and more now, and I really do like it. So anyway, those are my top kind of like makeup essentials, and I really do hope that you've enjoyed this, and I really do think that you guys are going to love this. Like, every single product that I've mentioned is a must have. It's going to completely change your kind of like travel game. I am sure you guys are going to love all of the products in this video, so don't forget that they're all listed in my description box below. As always, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.